Hello, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Top 5 list. In this video, I want to show you the best small coffee makers. Okay, let's watch the video. Number 1, BUNN GRX-B Velocity Brew Home Coffee Brewer. This 10-cup coffee maker from BUNN is, in a word, impressive. It looks like a small and highly durable commercial coffee brewer, and we were happy to find that it brews like one too. We've used and abused this brewer for many brewing cycles, and it consistently makes delicious, bold coffee. The most impressive thing about this brewer is that it continually heats water for brewing, so it's ready to make coffee with water at the optimal temperature whenever you are. BUNN boasts that this brewer makes a full pot in around 4 minutes. Number 2, Bodum 11592 to 109 pour-over coffee maker. This Bodum pour-over brewer is unique in that it ditches the water pump and water heater for a simpler, manual brewing process. Instead of hitting a brew now button, you pour hot or boiling water over the grounds in the filter. This will require you to have an external heating source and a kettle, but this brewer's extremely low price will still lead to a cheaper setup than an electric coffee maker. Because there is no warming plate, this brewer delivers flavorful coffee that's free of bitterness. This brewer is very visually appealing and will serve as decor as much as it will for function, and the reusable filter makes brewing simple even though it requires more work from you. The filter is easily cleanable, as is the carafe with its wide mouth and removable heat grip, and both are even machine washable. The fact that the brewing process is a bit more involved and requires your attention kept this out of our number 1 spot, but, especially given the price, we think this is one of the best small coffee makers for the money. Number 3, Nespresso NV155B VertuoPlus Deluxe Coffee Maker. If you're looking for a premium coffee maker that makes delicious, full-flavor coffee and does all the work for you, you can't beat Nespresso's VertuoPlus Deluxe Coffee Maker. Everything about this brewer is automated and simple. Pre-measured doses of coffee come in pods that you simply place in the pod holder. From there, all you need to do is hit a single button, and you'll be rewarded with a perfectly hot and delicious cup of coffee. The brewer recognizes what kind of pod you're using, and changes water volume and brew time settings based on the beverage you choose. Although it doesn't come with a milk steamer, this brewer can make a variety of black, flavored espresso drinks. The water reservoir is removable for easy filling, and cleaning this coffee maker couldn't be easier. The brewer is very expensive, and the ongoing cost of coffee in the pods will add up over time, so the cost factor kept this out of our top 2 spots. If you're looking for a simple and efficient way to make strong coffee, this is likely the option for you. Number 4, BLACK+DECKER CM0700BZ Coffee Maker. This coffee maker from BLACK+DECKER is one of the smallest drip makers available, which means that it takes up a minimal amount of counter space and can even be suitable for traveling. However, with its small size comes a small capacity, and it can only brew the equivalent of about 3 8-ounce cups of coffee at a time. Despite its tiny footprint, this brewer can heat water to around the proper temperature for full-flavor coffee, so you're unlikely to get that bitter, burnt taste associated with many drip makers. It includes a reusable mesh filter, so you won't need to buy any paper filters, and the carafe doesn't drip when pouring like many others we've found. It does take a while to heat up to the proper temperature, but since you can set it and forget it, you won't need to stand around waiting for your coffee to brew. Number 5, Keurig K-Mini Coffee Maker. The K-Mini is Keurig's smallest single-serve coffee maker, and it has an incredibly small footprint. It brews coffee quickly, and the water reaches the proper temperature for brewing. This brewer takes the guesswork out of measuring coffee with its single-serve pods, and there's an option for using your own grounds with a reusable pod. The small size means there isn't much room for a water reservoir, so you will need to refill the water after every cup is brewed. Additionally, the water reservoir isn't removable, so you'll have to fill it with another vessel. It features an auto shut-off after 90 seconds of inactivity to help conserve energy. When you're ready to brew, the process is as simple as pressing a button, so you can let your coffee brew while you continue getting ready or doing other things. This single-serve brewer is affordable, but you will incur higher coffee costs if you use recyclable K-cups. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.